Welcome to or back to the Lost Artistry Lash channel. My name's Caitlin Elford and today I'm creating a wet lash textured doll eye effect. In order to create today's set, I'm going to be working with Lost Artistry's textured volume lashes. So these are a brand new product. They create the darkest result. It's going to be lovely. My diameter of choice is going to be 0.07, which is not often used for wet lashes, but you can use absolutely any diameter you want in order to create the classic wet lash look. So that's why I'm choosing 0.07s. I want the darkest effect and the most textured. So my textured volume lashes and my 0.07s are going to achieve that. Now, in order to get optimal texture, I'm gonna lash in layers. My bottom layer is going to have shorter lashes and my top layer is going to have my longest lengths. And I'm gonna let those layers work to my advantage. I'm working with CC Curl and the bottom layer sitting so much lower than the top layer is going to make that top layer pop even more and create a distinction between the layers, which is going to give me optimal lash texture. When I'm lashing, I always lash from a tile. The nice thing about using a tile is that it comes with a perfect little home that keeps your lashes sanitary and free of collecting dust and debris, because if you get dust and debris collected on that lash strip, guess what? You're not gonna have good retention, because dirt and debris collected on the extensions is going to create a barrier between that nice bond. So you wanna make sure that the strips stay really nice and sanitary and free of collecting anything at all. My glue storage of choice today is Lost Artistry's Jadestone. Now, in order to keep my glue working at its best, I need a cool surface, aka Jadestone. I'm gonna use a glue sticker and I'm gonna take a tiny piece of micro pour tape and put it along the glue sticker. The reason why I put micro pour tape on top of the glue sticker is because it's gonna keep my glue in the most perfect dome shape. Speaking of that, my glue of choice today is Quickie. Quickie's a 1 second cure time glue. I do not recommend working with a 1 second cure time glue if you are trying this style for the first time. When you are starting out with a new style, you're gonna need some wiggle room. So if you're venturing out into something new, or you're learning a new technique or a new lash fanning type or whatever, you're gonna wanna work with a slower cure time adhesive. But today, I've been working with wet lashes for quite some time, so a 1 second cure time is actually gonna speed up my set in a huge way. So if you're an advanced artist or you just know your client through and through, a 1 second cure time glue is an amazing tool to have on hand. I always start by cleansing my client's lashes. When you're cleansing, make sure to cleanse everywhere around the eye area. You wanna make sure that under the eyes are clean and over the eyes are clean. Even if your client says that they washed their lashes before they came today, still give them a quick cleanse. I swear it's gonna save you time during your service. Okay, let's actually see this set. Now that the set has been complete and you've seen the end result, I'm gonna show you the map, but 1 second. First, I wanna ask what you think of this set. I need to know. Let me know, rate it from 1 to 10 in the comments below. And if you wanna try out our textured volume lashes, or want to learn more about wet lashes, give us a follow on Instagram. You can find us at Lost Artistry Lash. Who knows, if you DM us, maybe we'll even have a coupon code for you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell. Thanks for watching.